Book 1, Chapter 1 of Dune by Frank Herbert establishes the complex universe of the novel through a microcosm of its societies, politics, and the theme of coming of age. The chapter begins with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, introducing Muad'Dib and setting the stage for the pivotal role the planet of Arrakis, or Dune, will play in the story. We are then transported to Caladan, the ancestral home of the Atreides family, where 15-year-old Paul Atreides is under the scrutiny of his mother, Lady Jessica, and a formidable figure, the old woman Reverend Mother Gaius Helen Mohayem. The term Gom Jabbar, a test Paul is to face, is introduced, instilling a sense of foreboding. The dynamic between Paul and the female figures in his life is crucial. Lady Jessica, a member of the enigmatic Bene Gesserit sisterhood, is both a nurturing mother and a figure involved in the political and genetic manipulations central to the universe of Dune. The Reverend Mother, also of the Bene Gesserit, represents the external pressures and expectations placed on Paul. These dynamics frame the story's exploration of destiny, duty, and personal identity. Paul's dream of Arrakis foreshadows his deep connection and pivotal role in the planet's future, hinting at his exceptional abilities, notably precognition. The dreams that Paul experiences, described as predictive, signify his burgeoning abilities and the weight of destiny upon him. The Gom Jabbar test, which Paul faces the next morning, is a harrowing rite of passage. It is designed to determine whether he possesses a critical level of self-control and consciousness that distinguishes humans from animals in the Bene Gesserit philosophy. The test involves enduring intense pain simulated by a device inside a box, with the threat of death by a poisoned needle if he fails. The pain Paul experiences is immense, but through reciting the litany against fear, he overcomes his instincts and passes the test, demonstrating his exceptional fortitude and potential. This scene is crucial for establishing Paul's character strengths, his unique position within the Bene Gesserit's plans, and the theme of human potential and control over one's fears and impulses. The conversation following the test reveals the Bene Gesserit's long-term breeding program aimed at producing the Kwisatz Haderach, a prophesied figure capable of extraordinary powers, including accessing ancestral memories across both genders. This reveals the depth of the Bene Gesserit's manipulation of human genetics and politics, and their pivotal role in the universe of Dune. The Reverend Mother's speculation that Paul might be the Kwisatz Haderach introduces the central question of Paul's destiny and the thematic exploration of prophecy, leadership, and the burden of greatness. The Reverend Mother's and Lady Jessica's conversation about the Bene Gesserit's goals and methods brings to light the tension between individual desires and institutional mandates, as well as the moral implications of their manipulations. This theme of genetic and political manipulation is a recurring element in the Dune series, raising questions about ethics, power, and the nature of humanity. In summary, Chapter 1 of Dune sets up several of the novel's key themes: destiny, power, human nature, and the struggle between individual agency and external forces, while also introducing the reader to the tit. That's all for today. If you like this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.